So today's topic is number system. In the computers, if we want to represent our data, it has to be represented in these number systems. There are four number systems in computer: binary, octal, decimal and hexadecimal. As you know, there are binary digits are 0 and 1 and its base is 2. Base is also called radix. Base is also called radix. So this is directly understood by the computer. And decimal number system, we will come to the later on this octal number system. Decimal number system has digits 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 and its base is 10. Its digits always will have 1 less than the base. So starting from the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and its radix or base is 10. Octal's base is 8 and binary's base is 2. Base will be required for conversion of one number system to another number system. Hexadecimal has 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and there is no 10. Further it has A, B, C, D, E and F. Its base is 16 and its digits are 0 to 9 and A, B, C, D, E, F. So A for 10, B for 11, C for 12, 13, 14, 15, so on. Okay, so this is the basic we will require for, we will convert these number systems into another number system. There are four number systems. Once again I will explain: binary, octal, decimal, hexa. And base of binary is 2 and digits are 0 and 1. It is represent directly in computers. Computers can understand only 0 and 1s, and octal has base or radix 8 and its digits are 7, 1 less than the base. So decimal number system we are using in our daily life. Every digit you write, any digit you write, suppose I write 4, 5, 6, it's a decimal number system. Okay, so hexadecimal has 16 base and its digits are, these are also called digits or symbols. You can call them symbols also. Okay, so symbols or digits, it has, all of you will learn all these symbols and base of particular number system. Thank you. So the next part of this chapter is most important is conversion. Conversion from one number system to another number system. First we will start from the decimal number system to binary number system. Okay, and take any decimal number system, suppose any, you can take any, suppose I take 45. Now we will convert it into binary number system. As you know, it can be represented like this. Okay, now with this radix you come to know that this is the decimal number system, because decimal's base is or radix is 10. So what are the steps to convert? First of all, divide the decimal number by 2. Why 2? Because 2 is the base of binary. Got it? And the next step, take the remainder and record it on the other side. Divide the quotient by 2. Again usko quotient ko divide we will do, divide by 2. Repeat until the decimal number cannot be divided further. Until it becomes 0 or 1, keep dividing and record the remainder in reverse order and you will get the resultant binary number. So here the most important part is reverse order. You have to record that number from reverse order, not from top. Okay, I repeat. So we will do the practical of this one. We will convert 45 into binary equivalent. So let's start. What was the steps? Here is the 45. You can divide it like this on this section 2. So divide it by 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 4 again, and remainder comes 1 2 11, क्योंकि आप लोग ऐसे भी कर सकते हो 22 को 2 से डिवाइड कर लो, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, remainder 0 0. So 2 5s are 10. Divide this 11 divided by 5. So we have 1 remainder. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. 2 1s are 2. Remainder 0. Now we have equivalent binary number starting from the reverse. As I have explained, it is the important part that we have to write from this one only, reverse order, not from top. We have to write this number from bottom. So we have 1 0 1 1 0 1. So binary equivalent of 45 is 1 0 1 1 0 1. Is it clear? Okay.